I'm for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, what has happened that my premises, the petitioner runs a proprietorship firm. Now, my lord, what has happened is that from 17th... You are for the Union of India, all right, yes. From 17th of December, my proprietorship firm premises is being raided by the authorities under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. The inspector, under the Act, my lord. Now, my lord will kindly take section 22 of the Act, my lord, which mandates certain preconditions for such investigation and inspections being conducted by the inspector, my lord. It is the powers of the inspector, my lord. May I hand over a book? Yes. My lord, section 22, powers of the inspector. My lord, has my lord got it? Yes, yes. My lord will kindly see that, my lord, may I just read it out? Section 1, 22.1, subject to the provisions of section 23 and of any rules made by the central government in this behalf, an inspector may, within the local limits of the area for which he is appointed, A, inspect any premises wherein any drug or cosmetic is being manufactured, my lord, and the means employed for standardizing and testing of the drug cosmetic. 2, any premises where any drug or cosmetic is being sold or stocked or exhibited or offered for sale or distributed. B, take samples of any drug or cosmetics which is being manufactured or being sold or is stocked or exhibited or offered for sale or is being distributed. 2, from any person who is in course of conveying, delivering or perpetrating to deliver such drug or cosmetic to a purchaser or a consignee. My lord, I'm skipping C. It is not necessary, my lord. I will be coming straight to 22.2, subsection 2. Whether it reads as the provision of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 shall, so far as may be apply to any such search or seizure under this chapter as they apply to any search or seizure made under the authority of a warrant issued under section 94 of the Code. Now, my lord, this is a mandatory provision. There is no estoppel against the statute. My lord, the authority today is conducting the search and seizure as I submit before your lordship as great is going on. My lord, no warrant is there in compliance of section 94. My lord, I'll show it from the documents, the search and seizure report I have annexed. My lord will kindly see page 30, 37 of the repetition, my lord. My lord, this is the second page of the Panchnama, my lord. My lord, on the bottom right hand corner, my lord, there's a note. No search warrant was shown to me. Yes. My lord has got it. So, my lord, there is a requirement of the law that there has to be a warrant before any such inspection goes on and search and seizure goes on. My lord, there is none. My lord, as I have also placed that, my lord, it is with regard to a manufacturer, my lord. I am not a manufacturer, admittedly. I am not a manufacturer. Now, my lord, what the authority has done, they have taken samples of the medicines. What are there? What do you do? My lord, I am a wholesaler. Wholesaler? Yes, my lord. All right. My lord, they have taken samples of the medicines they wanted to, my lord, under the Act, and my lord, that now the samples are subject to report listing and everything. Yes. That, and then, my lord, they have also seized certain things which are lying before me. Now, what has happened? They have called me on 19th to appear before the authority. I went, my lord. They handed me over a 41A notice. My lord, I will just please the 41A notice, which is annexed at, my lord, page, the last annexed, my lord, 41. My lord will kindly take page 41. एक तो ये तो बात करो दो. वही तक तो देखो. My lord knows that 41 is a statutory form, my lord. My lord, yes, I am just placing the relevant provision. It is now under, my lord, section 35(3) of the BNSS.
Yes.
My lord, I have
Stop.
placed the BNSS relevant provision, my lord. Now, my lord, 41A, which is now amended to 35(3), my lord, it's a statutory form. My lord, Form 1, I have placed the BNSS before your lordship. My lord will kindly take that once. My lord will kindly take the BNSS once.
Now tell me what has happened.
My lord, the statutory form, my lord, it says that, my lord, it has given a format how the 41A notice should be there. My lord, there has to be a description of the case, the sections, the complaint, my lord, even the statutory form has not been followed, my lord. My lord, the thing is this, that, my lord, I am admittedly not a manufacturer. My lord, even if I am very ready and willing to comply with the entire investigation process whatsoever, my lord, I'm not shying away. They have seized my passport. My lord, they do not have the authority to do so, my lord, as has fallen from the Maneka Gandhi's case, my lord knows. And my lord, they have seized items, they have taken samples. My lord, what remains? I am still an innocent person. Nothing has been proven against me. My lord, I do not know what is the allegations against me. This entire procedure which has been adopted by the inspector, my lord, the respondent inspector, is, my lord, dehodes the provisions of law. And I am apprehending arrest because the other day there was an arrest memo.
If you are apprehending arrest, there is a separate
That is another question.
That is something else. Yes. You are for the union, you said.
As for the respondent authorities from 1, 3, 4, and
3, 4, and 5.
5 is the main answering respondents here. But I have not yet received. On Friday 5:30, I have received the petition copy, and the Saturday Sunday the department was closed. I have not yet received the instructions in my hand. Don't have the instruction. And that fix it tomorrow, then I can come with it.
Well, a raid is going on even today, my lord, despite there being a writ petition pending before your lordship.
Maybe I can come with instructions.
Tomorrow 2 p.m.
I can ask them to. I have asked them to come bring the hard copies of the documents. They have not. They've sent some over email, which I couldn't check out the printout of.
Why? I require the instruction whether hard or soft it's for you.
It's in my mobile.
So you should have brought something here. Have you gone through it? What does it say?
The petitioners has been selling the counterfeit of the
Yes, counterfeit drugs.
drugs in the shop of the petitioner in the shop. And so they have received the information from the SPAN Council team that they have been selling. Respondent number 4 has directed them to search the premises of the petitioner. And on the instructions of the respondent number 4, they have searched the document and they have confiscated, seized, and freed some of the documents, some of the medicines which are mentioned in page 25 and
You obtain hard copy of whatever you have received.
kindly fix it at 2 p.m.
রেকর্ডে তো রাখতে লাগবে আমাকে। Come today at 2 o'clock. You get the hard copies.
I'm asking the man, fix it at 3 p.m. I will come with the hard copy.
No, not 3 p.m. এক্ষুনি পেয়ে যাবো। হ্যাঁ তো
But I will come with the hard copy.
yes. You
Come with the hard copy.
tell him.
3 p.m. I will come.
Are you still awaiting certain documents?
Certain documents. I have few of the documents. I'm awaiting some of the documents which I told them to send it. I have received the brief on Friday at 5:30. And today
This is an urgent matter. It was mentioned. You understand she is apprehending arrest.
I need to fix it at 2 p.m. or 2:30. I will come with the documents.
Today.
My lord, may I indicate one thing? My lord, the officers could not come to before this honorable court. They are conducting a raid as I may. Yes, my lord. I have just received instruction. At my premises, it's going on right now.
I will come with the documents. I will come with the documents.
Very well. I'm passing it over at
Okay.
2:30.
My lord, item number 11, I am for the
Altering, ornamenting, finishing, packing, labeling. But here I stop. The petitioner has been done doing the packing in spurious drugs in his premises. Now we have seized the patent material which is mentioned in Form 16. Form 16, page 38. The petitioner is the manufacturer of the Form 16, page 38 of the writ petition. The stock of drugs, cosmetics, and registered medical outfit have this been seized under the provision of Section 22(1) of the drugs and the premises, and this is the documents which we have found out. Printed, cartoon printed of the spurious drugs, which were imported drugs without any license. The petitioner has no license of manufacturing license, and which is under 18C of the 18C, section 18C. Manufacturers, sale or distribution of sale or stock or exhibit or distribution or any drug except under in accordance to the condition of a license. The petitioner does not have any license for manufacturing. He has a license for the drugs, selling of drugs or distributing of drugs. The petitioner has committed an offense, and under section 27.
Has the petitioner been made known of the offense?
Yes, my lord. The petitioner has been given a notice under section 22(1) CCA to produce certain documents, a copy of the drug license and purchase and sales bill, which the petitioner has not provided.
Is this notice annexed to the writ petition?
No, it is not annexed to the writ petition.
What is the date of the notice?
17/12/2020. Petitioner still did not produce those documents. Under 22 section 22 CA.
And how was this notice served? I can see Form 15 is annexed possibly.
Yes.
Form 15 is annexed. But this
Notice is not annexed.
Form 15 has been annexed.
It's annexed.
How was this notice served? How was this notice served?
My lord, there is a notice at page 26. Well, I do not know whether the document is the same document or not.
But they have received it by hand.
Received it by hand.
They have received it by hand.
Where is the signature?
Show me the document.
Yes, 15 seals here.
Along with it, they have
Yes, page 26 is annexed. It is the same letter that you are showing.
Yes.
They have annexed it. Yes. So the notice has been given and they cannot produce this document.
Documents, till then they couldn't produce this document. Purchase and sell bill of all products mentioned in Form 15. If they produce the document, the seals will be kept. The goods will be released to them.
That is the case. My
No,
lord.
my this is not there. Section 22.
Yes.
Section 22C, at all reasonable time, with such assistance, if any, as he considers necessary, in such any person who has a reason to believe has secreted about his person any drugs or cosmetics in respect of which an offense under this chapter has been or been committed, enter and search any place which he has reason to believe that an offense under this chapter has been or is being committed, stop and search any vehicle, vessel, or other conveyance which he has reason, and order rewriting the person in possession of the drugs and cosmetic in respect of which offense has been or is being committed, not to dispose of any stock or such drugs and cosmetic for a specific period not exceeding 20 days, or unless the alleged offense is such that defects may be removed by the possessor of the drug or cosmetic, seize the stock of such drug or cosmetics and any substance or article by any means with offense has been. And we have given this order notice under Form 15. We have given notice page 28. Order under section 22(1)(c) of the Drug Cosmetic Act requiring a person not to dispose of the stock. List of and we have asked them to produce the purchase and sell bill. The moment they will produce the section and purchase and sell bids. We find that they are the correct, we will release the seized bids. They have not yet. We have been, they have visited our office on 19th December, but they have not produced the documents which should be absorbed. And the petitioner is the manufacturer of the spurious drugs as a result, which is a cognizable offense under section 27C. Any drug or other drugs referred to under A and 27C. Any 27B, any drug deemed to be adulterated under section 17 without a valid license required under section C of the 18C. It shall be punishable with imprisonment which shall not be less than 1 year, which may extend to 3 years, and with fine which may not be less than 5,000 rupees. So the petitioner is manufacturing. There have been spurious drugs. We have found the fake drugs, cartoons, and packing materials in their premises. We are not conducting raid at this moment, or we are not going to arrest the petitioner at this moment, which the petitioner is apprehending that.
All right. Yes.
Well, the first thing I would like to indicate that my learned senior friend did not answer to give any reply with regard to section 22 subsection 2, which is with regard to warrant, which refers to section 19.
Show me the license or
Yes,
the
ma'am.
document
My lord,
of purchase and sale of all products.
Yes, my lord. The facts has been slightly, my lord, disputed. I'll tell you, lordships, why, my lord. They say that I have been manufacturing. Why? Because they have found boxes which are empty. They say I am leveling. That's how they are bringing me under the
definition of manufacturer.
Now, my lord, if that be so, my lord, I put this question to myself, my lord, then there has to be something which is to be found apart from the boxes, the labels, the boxes separately, the labels separately, any machine there to, my lord, nothing. It is just boxes, my lord, which are used boxes. Not even the medicines are there. And my lord, with regard to, if I may answer, with regard to the statement made by my learned friend, spurious drugs. Well, if the drugs are to be spurious, well, they have to be tested whether they...
Listen, we'll go to it later. Where are the purchase and the sale bills?
My lord, I have never purchased. My lord, see, kindly page 32. Kindly see page 32. I have provided my license before them.
You say, according to you, you are the wholesaler.
I am the wholesaler, my lord.
Wholesaler means you have got those drugs from somewhere?
Well, they have not found any drug. They have found the boxes. That's what my learned senior friend says.
There is a list of
Yes,
the
my lord.
medicines
Those
or
are
drugs at page 27.
Is this the case of my learned friend that those are spurious drugs?
Whether
no.
yes or not,
No.
they will go and test it. You have been directed to act in a particular manner.
Well,
Why
I
don't
have
you?
acted.
Then it's all
My
right.
lord, page 32, my lord, my reply.
Please come.
My lord will kindly see one thing, my lord. Page 32 is my reply. I have produced everything. And with regard to the purchase bills, my lord, I had prayed for 7 days' time. My lord, kindly 3. Purchase and sale bills of all products mentioned in Form 15. Some purchase sales bills have been produced. The rest will be provided within 7 days. And my lord, one thing, my lord, section 36C. If I may just rely upon the section, my lord.
Page 26, they have given you time for 5 days.
Lordship.
Right. This is dated 17th of December.
Lordship.
You write a letter to them.
Because I presented myself
18th.
before them. On 18th.
18th.
I
and you
them.
pray 7 days time.
Yes, my lord.
Right?
Yes.
7 days is over.
No, my lord.
No, it's not yet over. From 18th to 25th, it will be over tomorrow.
My lord, what I have said is I have presented myself before the authority on 18th.
It is not your presence. Are the documents
Yes, my
are
lord, that
important?
is there. My lord, kindly see page 26. 32. I'm sorry, my lord, 32.
Yes, 32.
3. My lord, the last paragraph 3.
Yes.
Purchase bills and sale bills of all products mentioned in Form 15. Some purchase sales bills have been produced. So I have produced some. And the rest will be provided within 7 days, 7 working days.
Right, go.
So that's what I will do.
Within 7 days
Yes,
you
my
go.
lord. Now what has happened? Why am I before your lordship? One is because of 22.2 and the next is my lord 36 AC. My lord will kindly take the book. Wait a minute.
Yes.
36 AC, my lord. My lord will kindly see there is some protection which has been provided to a person who's a female, my lord, to a lady, my lord. If I may,
On the garb of being a lady, you cannot be permitted to do illegal acts.
My lord, I have
Keep
not
this
done.
in mind.
My lord, I have not done. This
So
is a
there is
subject
nothing
matter
to
of
highlight that you are a lady and that is
So
the
there's a
reason you
special
have to.
provision, my lord, that
Doesn't matter.
some protection may be given. What I'm praying for is no coercive steps. In the meantime, I am complying with the provision.
In the meantime means how long? You have
Till
got
the-
7 days. 7 days will be over tomorrow.
My lord, if I
Right.
may say this, my lord, may kindly give me some limited protection till the reopening date, my lord, because if
Why?
anything happens in between, my lord, there's a vacation, my lord, she will be.
Vacation bench will be there. It's not that the court will remain non-functional.
There's 2 days, my lord, perhaps. My lord, may kindly grant me time till 8th of January.
For what purpose?
My lord, because my lord, kindly see that nothing, section 36 AC3, nothing
AC?
contained in this section shall be deemed to affect the special powers of the High Court. Sorry, my lord, that's not. No, my lord, proviso. 236 ACB, provided that a person who is under the
Wait,
age of 16.
36 AC?
Proviso, my lord, 36 ACB proviso.
B proviso. Yes, provided that.
Provided that a person who is under the age of 16 years or is a woman or is sick or infirm may be released on bail, the special court so directs. So, my lord, the provision is there.
Listen,
So, my lord, I am
it
only
is
praying for no coercive steps.
only may be released on bail. You have not been arrested. Where is the question of bail?
That day, my lord, they came up with the arrest memo just after serving a 41A. Is that the provision? My lord, I will show. My lord, it was not. My lord, a learned advocate present in this court was present that day. My lord, kindly grant me some protection till 8th of January.
They said that they were
The petitioner is aggrieved by the act on the part of the respondent number 5
ये तो बोल ना.
in conducting raids in the is it a shop or a godown or what?
It's a office, my lord.
It's office. In the office of the petitioner. Stop. According to the petitioner, the same is contrary to the provisions of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, 1940. Stop. It has been submitted that the petitioner is a wholesaler of drugs and she is not a manufacturer. Stop. The authorities are hell-bound to arrest the petitioner without following the due process of law. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the respondent number 5 submits upon instruction that the petitioner will be treated as a manufacturer in accordance with section 3 within bracket F of the Act, which mentions that manufacture in relation to any drug or cosmetic includes any process or part of a process for making, altering, ornamenting, finishing, packaging, labeling with a view to sell, SALE, or distribute the same. Stop. Specific cases that the petitioner is involved in packing and labeling spurious drugs. Paragraph. It has been submitted that notice was given to the petitioner on 17th of December 2024, requiring the petitioner to produce the copy of the drug license, purchase and sale bills of all products mentioned in Form 15. Stop. The petitioner failed to produce the purchase and sale bills of all the products. Stop. It has been submitted that law permits the inspectors to inspect, search, comma, and enter any place in which he has reason to believe that an offense under the chapter has been, comma, or is being, comma, committed. Stop. It has been pointed out that the inspector has the authority to direct the person concerned not to dispose of any stock of such drug or cosmetic for a prescribed period. Stop. It has been submitted that Form 15 has been served upon the petitioner and petitioner with a direction not to dispose of certain stock. Paragraph. The provision for penalty under section 28 caps B of the Act has been placed, which mentions that whoever himself or by any other person on his behalf manufactures or sells or distributes any drug or cosmetic in contravention of the provisions of law shall be punishable with imprisonment. Now, shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend, for imprisonment. Stop paragraph. It has been submitted that as the petitioner failed to produce the relevant documents in accordance with Form 15. Now, in accordance with the notice served under section 22 within bracket 1 within bracket small CCA of the Act. Accordingly, the consequential steps may be permitted to be taken by the authority. Paragraph. It appears from the documents annexed to the writ petition that apropos the communication made by the drugs inspector on 17th December 2024 requiring the petitioner to produce the documents within 5 days, the petitioner has submitted a reply on the 18th of December 2024 requesting time for 7 days for production of all documents. Stop. 7 days is due to expire tomorrow. Stop paragraph. The authority will permit the petitioner to produce the relevant documents as sought for in the notice dated 17th of December 2024 by 27th. He prays time till 24th. 25th is a holiday. 2 more days. By 27th, you produce the documents before the authority. Stop. Next. In the event any further document is wanting, the same shall be intimated to the petitioner. Stop. The writ petition is directed to appear in the list on 2nd January 2025. Stop. Any steps taken in the meantime shall abide by the result of the writ petition.
I'm so grateful.
Just produce the documents before the authority.
I'm so grateful.
My lord, may I be permitted? Item number 14, your lordship posted it at for